Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer, welcomes you to Easy Money Show. Today, being the weekly expiry day, market made an inside bar. Now, what is an inside bar? Today's high and low is within yesterday's range. So if I have to put it very easy and simple to you, if you see yesterday's bank nifty high and bank nifty low, yesterday bank nifty high was at around 35,547 and yesterday's bank nifty low was 34,750. So within this range of yesterday, today whole market traded, and we call today's market as an inside day because the whole day market traded within yesterday's price range. And for me, this is an indication that momentum will come on the next day, especially if you are doing day trade. And let me also tell you the inflation data which everyone were waiting for and the whole world was looking into what will be the number of May inflation in America. The number came out at 5%. No one expected 5% to come, and in fact from 2008, when we saw the Lehman Brothers crisis which happened, this number of 5% inflation is the highest in America, and especially energy prices are really shooting up there, and it led for this increase of big number which is 5% inflation data. And their core inflation, if you check, that is also higher since 1992, and the number has come at 3.8%. Now if you ask me, this high inflation data, is it a good news or a bad news to market? Definitely higher inflation, market will take it negative. But then if you see the US market, everything is already trading at green, and this is signaling that yes, market is a future looking animal, and just don't look at the current data and start interpreting the current market. But let me tell you, for me, the all time high what Nifty future made at levels of around 15,810, tomorrow if you take off that level of 15,810, again momentum will catch back and all the shots will run for cover. But let me clearly tell you, still bank nifty is trading way below yesterday's highs, and today the close which it made in futures what around 35,300, where yesterday the big sellers had come. So yesterday sellers are now tested, and any move, if it happens tomorrow, only and only above 35,550 on bank nifty future, then yes, these sellers will be tested and a short covering rally will further start. But then till the levels of 35,550 on bank nifty future hold, these short sellers will try another attempt to bring this market down. Market has been very stock specific, and NBFCs today made a huge comeback. And see any NBFC stock, and in fact leaders like Bajaj Finance, which we have discussed in our chart check, has been at all time higher level. And not only Bajaj Finance, even related NBFCs and even stocks like India Bull Housing Finance has been the best mover for this particular series. And from 210 220 level, India Bull Housing Finance post the results also has now gone beyond levels of 280 to 290. I'm not recommending you to buy India Bull Housing Finance, but I'm only trying to tell, even if someone would have bought the top quality Bajaj Finance NBFC, that has moved close to 8 to 10% in no time. And every dip in stock like Bajaj Finance for a long term investor has always been a great buying opportunity. And today, if you see the data of specifically NBFC, and slowly even this has led to mid and small cap to recover, and there was a recovery which we have seen, but this inside day bar which has got formed today will give a move tomorrow on either side. So we will discuss more and more learning, and also let me tell you, in my Twitter handle during live market hour I am giving you updates, and in that update always follow the latest view because market has been so volatile. I have kept on updating, and today I just want to show you what is consolidation pattern and what will happen once you get a breakout from this consolidation pattern. So for you guys, just to tell you about consolidation pattern and breakout from consolidation pattern, let me take this as an example on our stock check. So see this stock, and I'm showing it to you on your screen. This is my trip. In fact, I want you to get this so clear. The consolidation pattern, more the time it takes, more fearful will be the move. See, if you see on the screen now, I've just put a circle for this consolidation pattern. This stock was just trading in this range, and it gave a break out of this consolidation, and this is where I gave you buy calls. And see how every time it gives a consolidation, it has just given a buying opportunity and a straight move. You can see on Is My Trip, which is currently trading at 430 levels. I know people ask me, is it a good time now to buy Is My Trip? I'll tell you, please see the video on margin of safety which I have given. No doubt these are great stocks, far better than the Suzlons and Yes Bank, but only thing is having even higher margin of safety is very important, and still I feel there is long way to go for these stocks. So now any correction to this consolidation zone, and if you see the price, this is somewhere closer to 360 levels. So any consolidation to this zone now, and by chance for any market correction reason you get back to these consolidation zones of around 280, 290, 300, it will be a great buying opportunity. And if you see similar consolidation pattern in any stock, I'm sure now you know how to handle and understand the consolidation. So this is where chart reading is so helpful, and it will give you clear early signals of breaking out of consolidation pattern, which if you understand, it will give a lot of trading gain. I'm sure today's program has helped you a lot in learning inside day as well as consolidation pattern with also market updates. See you tomorrow with more learning. Do forward this video to as many people as possible and join hands with me to spread right financial literacy. Also subscribe to your channel Rudralogy right now. Hit the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload superb videos like this. This weekend I'll be doing a lot of videos on profitable options to you, and if you have missed any of those videos, go right now and check in the playlist profitable option, learn each and every video which has been posted there in the order, and more will be coming this weekend. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.